How to check the status of your Wells Fargo credit card application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to check the status of your Wells Fargo credit card application. So if you had recently submitted an application and you need to check the status of it, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in wellsfargo.com and slash hub slash application status. That is going to take you to the official page, and which is gonna look something like this. So there's no such direct way of doing it. So however, there's the link as how do I track the process of my application. Go ahead and press on it, and here you should be able to find this information as when you access your application status page. It is easy to keep track of your major milestones, actions items, and information about your loan. So you can view your application of in one of the email that they have sent, or you could just click on sign on here and enter in your credential, login into your account, and you should be able to access your application status page. And likewise, you might also have to provide in the following information, that is your last name, date of birth, the 4 digit of your social security number, and then the access code, which is also going to be sent on your email itself. So once you've entered the information, you should be taken to the custom page of with your application, and then you could go ahead and check the status of it. So that is how you can go ahead and check your application status. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.